Hey, detailers and car enthusiasts. Today, we are showcasing 5 high-performance buffer polishes designed to give you professional quality results at home. Whether you're erasing swirl marks from your car's paint, we've got a tool to suit every need. We'll dive deep into the features, versatility, and ease of use of each model so that you can make an informed choice for your next project. So, get ready to rev up your detailing game and discover the polishing power that will take your craftsmanship to the next level. Let's jump right into our first feature-packed buffer polisher. Number 1. We have the LDHTHOPI buffing polisher, your go-to tool for high-performance detailing. This beast runs on a robust 1600 watts motor at 110 volts, delivering consistent power through 7 variable speeds from 1000 to 3500 RPM. Designed with versatility in mind, it handles 6 and 7-inch discs for grinding, polishing, or surface restoration. Its compact, lightweight ABS body measures 15.7 inches by 3.5 inches by 3.1 inches and weighs just 4.57 pounds, making it easy to maneuver whether you are working on your car, boat, or even furniture. Plus, it comes with a detachable handle and a complete set of 7 different pads: wool, orange, and black for grinding, yellow and red for polishing, and green and blue for restoring surfaces. With features like carbon brush protection and a heat-resistant motor, this rotary polisher ensures durability and safety. If you are looking to achieve a mirror-like finish without breaking a sweat, the LDHTHOPI is the tool you need. Get ready to elevate your detailing game and experience professional-grade results every time. Number 2. Let's check out the POPULO 20-volt cordless buffer polisher kit, a perfect blend of power and portability for car enthusiasts. This innovative, brushless polisher offers 7 speed settings ranging from 2000 to 4800 RPM, ideal for everything from waxing and buffing to tackling tough paint defects. The bright LCD screen clearly displays your current gear speed, so you can always stay in control. Weighing just 4.62 pounds and featuring an ergonomic multi-grip design with a D-handle, side handle, and front grip, POPULO ensures fatigue-free operation during those long detailing sessions. The kit comes loaded with a 4.0 ampere-hour lithium battery, cloth towels, and multiple polishing sponges, including a genuine wool pad for fine polishing. Say goodbye to tangled cords and hello to true cordless freedom. Whether you are perfecting your car's shine or restoring a vintage ride, the POPULO cordless buffer polisher delivers unmatched performance. Get yours today and watch your vehicle transform. Number 3. For those tight spaces and intricate detailing jobs, the SPTA cordless mini car polisher is an absolute game-changer. Designed to be ultra-portable, this 12-volt micro-polisher weighs less than half of standard models, giving you unmatched control and ease in those hard-to-reach areas. Its compact design, complete with a 1-inch backing plate, makes it perfect for cleaning around emblems, body lines, and tight corners where precision matters. Powered by an efficient 80 watts battery, it delivers up to 1 hour of consistent performance at speeds adjustable between 1000 and 1500 oscillations per minute. The free-spinning, dual-action rotation minimizes swirl marks and provides a hologram-free finish, making it ideal for quick touch-ups or full-scale corrections. Say goodbye to extension cords. Its cordless design means you can polish anywhere, anytime, whether you are at home or on the go. For dyers and professional detailers alike, the SPTA cordless mini car polisher is your secret weapon for achieving that flawless finish. Get ready to experience precision detailing in a compact, powerful package that truly makes a difference. Number 4. Step up your detailing game with the Avhrit updated cordless polisher, a powerhouse designed for serious professionals and home enthusiasts alike. With a maximum speed of up to 5,500 RPM and an 8mm random orbit, this polisher delivers a swirl-free, mirror-like finish every time. Its upgraded motor is not only more powerful but also operates at low noise levels, ensuring a comfortable working environment. The enhanced D-handle design provides superior grip and reduces fatigue, making it ideal for long detailing sessions. This kit comes with 2 4.0 ampere-hour batteries and a quick charger, so you can switch batteries seamlessly and keep working without interruption. Weighing in at a stable 4.2 pounds, its robust build and dual-action design ensure even application without damaging your vehicle's paint. With a sturdy polishing chassis featuring a convenient hook design for quick pad changes, the Avhrit kit is a comprehensive solution for automotive, boat, and home polishing. Invest in quality, and let Avhrit redefine your detailing experience. Last but not least, we have the KIMO 20-volt cordless buffer polisher kit, a premium, all-in-one solution for car detailing perfection. This comprehensive 25-piece set includes everything you need: a cordless buffer polisher, multiple foam pads, replaceable polishing plates, microfiber and wool polish pads, sandpapers, two 20-volt batteries, a fast charger, and a carrying bag. Featuring an advanced brushless motor with up to 6,000 RPM and 6-speed precision control, this tool delivers exceptional power conversion efficiency and zero wear, ensuring long-lasting performance. Designed with ergonomic excellence, its ultra-lightweight 2.5 pounds construction and comfortable rubber grip make it perfect for extended use, reducing hand fatigue and delivering precise control. The dual battery system comes with a smart power indicator and rapid charging, so you never miss a beat in your detailing process. Ideal for automotive detailing, woodworking, and even DIY home projects, the KIMO kit is versatile and user-friendly. Upgrade your polishing experience and enjoy professional results right in your own garage. There you have it, folks. 5 incredible buffer polishers designed to take your detailing game to the next level. Whether you prefer the raw power of the LDHP, the cordless freedom of POPULO, the precision of the SPTA Mini, the robust performance of Avhrit, or the comprehensive KIMO kit, there's a perfect match for every detailer out there. Don't wait. Click the links in the description and invest in a tool that will make your ride, boat, or project shine like never before. If you enjoyed this video, give us a thumbs up, subscribe for more awesome reviews, and hit that bell icon so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and happy detailing!